Hi guys, so basically right now we'll be going through the heart of iOS. So basically the UI right now, what you're looking at is iOS, of course. For info to tell you, I'm running the iPod Touch 4th generation, running on iOS 6.1.2 with the Evasion jailbreak. Okay, let's start. Okay, basically, this is the OS X explanation documentary folder. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, basically, what Mac OS X has is what iOS has. This is the core categories of iOS. So, the kernel, of course, is the let's put it to an easy one. Kernel and device drivers are the heart of the OS. Cocoa is the outside, it's the UI. So basically, it goes up, 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 up. Okay, so let's start from the bottom. Mach, BSD, file system networking. So let's go through Mach first. The rest is not really important. So basically, Mach is the heart of Darwin because it provides those critical functions of the operating system. What Darwin is the operating system. It was previously named Darwin, and then iPhone OS, and then iOS. Basically, Darwin is by another company until Apple bought it over to develop a mobile operating system or a desktop operating system. Okay, there is protected memory. You don't have to bother about that. Okay, this is the important part. Preemptive multitasking. Mach is like a technology. With preemptive multitasking, the app freezes when you're not using it. When you're opening it again, it goes back. It's quite of a stupid feature, but yeah, I really would prefer the Android style. It uses real-time multitasking, but it takes more RAM, of course. Okay, let's go on. Advanced virtual memory, of course. The virtual memory is very good. I'm not gonna explain this because you get confused. Okay, BSD. It's the Berkeley Software Distribution. The BSD is basically a customized version of the OS. Basically, Darwin is the implementation of BSD, and well, I don't have much to say this because all of this are for developers, so I'm not gonna. Yep, I don't have any more thing to extend to. Okay, back to the chart. File system networking, BSD, all these are advanced. I know all these, but I'm not gonna explain because it may confuse newbies or people who don't really care about the heart or non-developers. Okay, now Core OS. What is it? It's basically the phone. The software of the phone is the Core OS. You don't have to board it. Core services. Let's say when you open Cydia, it prepares a file system that is basically the core services. It's preparing the core services of Cydia to run. When you install the new iOS 6 from iOS 5, basically it takes longer time to do a first boot, and basically that's what it's doing, starting up core services. Media, of course, you know, it's like photos, videos, pictures, this icon over here. Oops. Okay, there was this rack. Yep. Twitter, Facebook, message, email, all these icons are the media. Now, Coco is the heart of what you see. Look. Example, I pull down the notification center. That's basically what Coco is. Coco is just App Store. It's every single app you open. So well, this is the rundown of the Darwin iOS. If you want more about things you want to know, just drop by comments down below and tell me. Now, to do a final explanation, you can check it out at Wikipedia. Basically, just search for Darwin. You will see Darwin bracket operating system close bracket. That shows the full rundown of Darwin. It's like the mascot just looks weird. Come on, it's like a platypus with squirrel combined with a squirrel. Wow. Okay, my iPod is really laggy. I really hate this. Okay, let's start searching for Darwin. Okay, this final rundown is just brief. Just check it out by yourself. Okay, this is the mascot. It just looks weird. It's like a platypus with a squirrel face. Yeah. Okay, it's C, C++. It's not C sharp. Yep, the latest stable is 13.0.0. That is what iOS is using right now. Let's take a look at more history. Now, this is whatever they say. Yeah, you can just look at the history. I don't care what next is, because I forgot what it means. Kernel, yep, XNU, Darwin, derived projects, Open Darwin. Okay, it's not loading. Pure Darwin, other, yep, other. Look, Mac ports, Darwin ports. That's iOS, that's Mac OS. That's what you get in your phones. I mean, get in your iDevices. Okay, okay. Whatever you want to see, just check it out there. I'll see you soon.